Hello, today we're going to show you how to safely remove skirting boards. Let's get to it. First we take the utility knife and score it on the top edge of the skirting, and this separates the wall from the skirting, so when we remove the skirting we don't damage the wall surface. We're now going to loosen the skirting from the wall, and we start from the corner because that's where there's a stud, and using the chisel and hammer we form a big enough gap so that we can see where the nail fixings are. We're now going to pry the skirting off the wall where the nails are, and to do this we use the timber packer to protect the wall surface and the jammy bar to completely remove the skirting off the wall. So the base of the skirting may be held in place from pressure from the carpet, therefore we have to apply upward pressure to remove it. Sometimes it may need some extra upward pressure with a jammy bar. Now I've removed this piece of skirting from the wall. We repeat these processes for the other walls.